welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and you guys are watching Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a crystal bracelet that I did purchase along with the one which is in the subsequent month. I have already made a separate video of this particular tiger eye bracelet, but today what I'm going to talk about is this cold lava bracelet. And thank you so much for the love that you have given when I shared the review for this, and I hope this also you will love it, because this is a little different one. You can see this is little porous and I will talk in detail, but before going into that I just wanted to say one thing, that I don't believe in stones. I am personally a Bengali and we do wear a lot of colorful stones, and I don't believe in that, to be very honest. Now my hair is a little flimsy today, so please ignore that. So I do not believe in the Stotkan, all the I will not call it bad, but I do not actually believe in all of that. But I kind of read books and then I do a lot of surfing and browsing. So I got to know about the crystal healing therapy about like 7 or 8 months before, but I kind of did my own research and I thought to go a little deeper. And when I actually went a little deeper, I do have a little faith on the crystal therapy, and I thought why not to give it a try, because this will not harm you by any chance, to be very honest. But again, it will take a little time. It is a little time consuming. Now anything which is little permanent is a little time consuming, so you have to have a faith in it, and I've already mentioned in the previous video. So this video also I will be mentioning that if you do a little research part of it, you will get to know about the crystal therapy, and please go ahead and read that. And when I was very convinced by that, and that's when I thought of using it. So I will be talking about this particular bracelet. I have actually worn it for 3 months, more than 3 months to be honest. I ordered and I thought to make a review after wearing and after using it, and now actually I have used it for good amount of 3 months. I wear it 24 hours. Now many of you guys in the previous video asked कि crystal therapy में जो आप crystals पहनते हो वो आप when you go for shower do you remove it? घर का अगर कोई बर्तन वगैरह कोई भी काम करते हो आप रिमूव करते हो कि नहीं? ज़रूरत नहीं है. Don't wear it in the dominating hand, which is your right hand. Always wear it in the left hand, so that उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ ना हो. And at the same time जब ये जो thread है वो भी आपको extra मिल जाता है. I will make a separate the video. इसके बाद मैं बता दूंगी कि उन्होंने वो भी प्रोवाइड किया है, तो वो भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं कम्प्लीटली. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इट इज़ अ लिटिल पोरस थिंग, एंड देन दीज आर एक्चुअली द मेन क्रिस्टल्स. सो क्रिस्टल बोलने की जगह सिर्फ यही क्रिस्टल है, एंड रेस्ट आर द पोरस रॉक्स. सो another thing that I wanted to say is, if you believe in something it will happen, to be honest. But if you don't believe in, और आप ऐसे ही पहन रहे हो क्योंकि आपको किसी ने बोला पहनने के लिए, don't do that, because उसमें से ना आप satisfied रहोगे ना आपको रिजल्ट आएगा. एंड you have to feel good about whatever you are using, wearing and doing. That is something I believe, and I have actually got results. So this is basically for thyroid, which I am wearing, thyroid and health. Now recently my hemoglobin was actually going down, so I thought कि crystal, and these crystals you have to actually rub it so that थोड़ा activation उसका ज़रूरी होता है. But again, when you go ahead and read about the crystal healing therapy, you will get a lot of good things, and there are a lot of other things like prosperity, money, peace and love and all of that. बहुत कुछ चीज़ें हैं crystals, तो वो भी आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. बट what I mean to say is, if you don't believe in that, it will not help you. Start believing it after reading or doing the research on these things, what you are actually using it. So एक डिटेल वीडियो एंड में रहेगा, कैसा दिखता है क्लोज से और कैसा आया है, एंड if there is anything you can go ahead and contact them back. So thank you so much. Cold Lava, the Instagram store, it is amazing product. 3 महीने हो गए, but trust me कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. Again, handling आपके ऊपर है. You have to be very not very cautious, but थोड़ा रफ मत करो, या फिर भाई बहन है एकदम धम मार दिया ऐसा मत करो, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दिस इज क्रिस्टल, एंड थोड़ा बहुत बच के तो रहना ही पड़ता है. बट अगेन इट इज़ गुड. मैं तो सारे रफ यूज़ करती हूँ. इवन वाइल टेकिंग शावर आई डू वेयर इट, डूइंग द किचन वर्क ऑल्सो आई डू वेयर इट, डस्टिंग वर्क ऑल्सो आई वेयर इट. सो मेरे हाथ में ये कंटिन्यूसली रहा है एंड ऑलवेज वेयर इट इन द लेफ्ट हैंड. और कोई दिन वगैरह या कुछ है कि नहीं, मैं नहीं मानती इन सब चीज़ों को, बट अगेन अगर ऐसा कुछ है यू कैन डेफिनेटली गेट इन टच विद देम. आई विल लीव द लिंक ऑफ द Instagram store in the description box. This is not a promotional video. I have actually purchased them and I thought of sharing this review with you guys. So that's pretty much for today's video. I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. So this is how the product is, to be honest. Now these are the stones for the thyroid. There are different stones to it, but they are the not stones, but they are the real crystals. And this is something which is not very what to say, solid, but it is a little porous. If you understand what is porous, it has some pores to it. And yeah, this is how it is. It should be activated when you are continuously in touch with it firstly. So yeah, this is what it is. And if you can see, there are a lot of embedded thing. And also the packaging is somewhere like this. It is cold lava. The number is there, the Instagram handle is there. And when you kind of open this, comes in this box, and it is somewhere like this, handmade with love. And they have given the extra string and the extra bead as well. So that is what it is.